How's it going, YouTube? Back again, second day consecutively, weirdly, because that's not usually like me. I've got another unboxing. I think this is my final order. So let's crack this one open and see what's in it. All still sealed, or I've taken the label off. But yeah, last one. These are costing me a fair bit. And I think I know which one this is. Hopefully they've got it right. One for my favourite airline. Just put the blade away so I don't cut myself. Don't need that. All the paper ready for recycling. What have we got? I don't know if you can see that. It's a Qatar Airways A350-1000, the new one, 1:400 scale, Phoenix series model this time, limited edition. I think every single Phoenix one is. I don't know why they put that, if I'm honest. Standard box, 1:400 platinum series. Oh, I was supposed to actually fly on one of these last year, but thanks to COVID, it put my flight on hold. So I just now need to rebook it. Hopefully I can jump on this aircraft. I don't think I've flown on a A350-1000 before, but it will be interesting to fly on it, see what this model's like. Right, here it is. It's a fairly long aircraft. Let me see if I can zoom in. There we go. Got the nose, how it sort of points down, which is quite cool. Got the Qatar livery with the Qatari goat on the engine. You've got Qatar written in Arabic or Qatari, and then you've got the wingtips there in the purple colour with the Qatari flag in the back, with the goat on the back as well. And then you've got the Wi-Fi antenna as well as the others. Let me just spin this round. Go from the back. You've also got the registration there. I don't know if you can see that. It's A7 ANR. Can't even see. Yeah, ANR, which is also written underneath the wing as well. But good detail, very good quality. As you all know, I actually prefer Phoenix models compared to Gemini jets. I just think they're made better, and I think they resemble the aircraft a lot better as well. Underneath, you've got the Qatar logo there with all the landing gears, and the wheels do spin, which is nice. Yeah, quite a nice aircraft. I look forward to actually flying on one. But this is just a quick unboxing on the newest and latest Qatar A350-1000. See what you think. Please do subscribe to the channel. I'm looking to get to 1,000 followers, subscribers. So yeah, see if we can do that, and hopefully I'll bring you more content. If there is anything specific you guys want to see, just drop in the comments and see if I can get it for you. But thanks for watching. Just a very quick unboxing. And yeah, see you on the next one.